The third lesson focuses on contractions that shorten the word will. So we have two columns. In the first column, we have two words that make contractions. I will, you will, he will, she will, they will, we will. In the second column, we have the contractions. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, they'll, will. Now with kids, go over the steps to make a contraction. Two words joined together. The letters WI are tossed out and replaced with an apostrophe. Since kids learn from doing, I have them make the contractions we just talked about. This is the template used for the demonstration lesson.
For this activity, we're going to start with two words and then put them together to make a contraction. All of the words that we work on in this section will have the word will. I have already cut out the rectangles with the words and began to fold them, so I won't have to take the time to do it in front of the camera. So we have I will. Then kids fold along the line and close it up, and we don't see the two words. Now they need to write the contraction. So on this side, they write one word, and over here, they make the apostrophe and the ending of the other word. This one is different because two letters will be left out, the W and the I. So now we have I'll, and then when you open it up, we have the two words I will. Let's look at a second example. Again, remember, all examples in this section will have the word will. So here we have he will. Then we're going to close it up, or the kids are going to close it up. On this side, they will write he. And then on this side, they're going to put the apostrophe and L. So now it says he'll, and then they will open it up and have the two words that make that contraction, he will. We'll try one more. Again, this has the word will because that is the word we are working with. Close it up, and on this side they have to write the first word, and that was she. Here they need to put the apostrophe L, she'll, and then they can open it up and see the two words that made that contraction, she will.
Now have kids practice what they learned. In this activity, word bank, they are to find the correct contraction for each sentence. Now read each sentence with the kids. I will mow the lawn. They will write their report. She will take a picture. He will like camping. You will need to clean the closet. We will ride the bus. Then demonstrate the first sentence and what contraction to use. I will mow the lawn, and the contraction is I apostrophe LL. Have kids complete the rest of the sentences. Then share the correct answers with them and let them see how many they did correctly. In this practice page, we have all the same pictures and sentences that kids have been working with in the previous practice pages. Now they have to look at the picture and then decide the first word, the second word, and the contraction. Begin by demonstrating the first sentence. Point to the first picture, then read the sentence under it, I will mow the lawn, and then decide on the first word of the contraction. The first word is I. The second word is will, and the contraction is I apostrophe LL, I'll. And this is the completed example. Word, second word, and contraction for each picture and sentence. This is a contraction chart for kids to refer to and use when working on contractions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave a link in the description section for all the teaching templates.